Okay, so I'll show you how to put the Neuvition Titan LiDAR on Ford Expedition. This is a really old version of the Ford 1999, and I take out the trim piece so you can see the LiDAR sitting right front of the cooler. I fasten the device with two plastic clips so to hold them in place, so I can easily take them out without much effort. So I just cut them out, and next time I get a new one. So here is how it looks like after I cut the trim piece. So you can see it come out people without obstruction. So should have a good view from there. It's the power supply and the Ethernet cables connect to this connection box, and you can see go into the side trim, it disappears quite nicely, so you can even see anything. Now I will show you the interior setup. So there's two wires going to the engine compartment to the LiDAR. One is the power supply, and the other is the Ethernet cable connect to the computer. And power supply supply the power to the LiDAR, and we use a portable power supply that connect to the power source, and then this Ethernet connect to the computer. Once you turn on, you will connect to LiDAR and showing the car in front of us, and also there's another building on the left hand side. Further left hand side there's a building. A portable power charger can connect to the car to provide longer recording time. Okay, and you can see that's really simple.